Is Bitcoin right now forming a double top formation, and does that mean that Bitcoin basically topped out and that we can see lower levels right now? Guys, that is going to be the topic of today's video. In yesterday's video, I have been explaining that I expect a Bitcoin dump. We have seen so far a Bitcoin dump, but I do want to talk about this dump because this dump is a little bit different than I expected, and I want to go with you guys to some different charts. We are going to have a look at this chart, which we already be tracking for a couple of months right now, but we haven't had a look in that for quite a while. I want to have a talk about this. I want to talk about the US dollar Theta dominance chart because this one is looking very, very interesting. I want to talk about the Dixie chart, and we maybe also have a quick look at the S&P 500. So guys, let's jump straight into it. If you like this kind of content, make sure to drop a thumbs up. Very much appreciated. Because of your engagement, you're giving others the opportunity to also get this kind of knowledge for free. So that is very much appreciated because that is also our goal. We want to educate you guys on Bitcoin trading and becoming a profitable cryptocurrency trader, knowing exactly what the market is going to do and giving you basically the knowledge for yourself to help yourself in this space and to become financially free. So let's dive into Bitcoin. I'm thinking which chart we should start first. No, I think let's start this chart first. This is the one we were looking at yesterday, and we're right now looking at the 4-hour time frame. There's a reason I want to look at the 4-hour time frame. That's due to the fact that we had these bearish divergences. So we had like a higher high in the price, but we were getting a lower high in the relative strength index, but we're also getting a lower high in the MACD. So that is actually already quite bearish. These bearish divergences, I have been pointing them out yesterday. We did saw the price coming down as well. We came down to roughly 20,450 on the 4-hour time frame. We also looks like we are losing the uptrend in the support. We got like 1, 2, 3 touches. Right now it looks like we are losing that. So that is also quite interesting if we can see a follow through. So we can see the RSI remaining below this level, maybe even retest and get rejected. Then that would be all definitely very, very bearish signs. But next to all these bearish signs, guys, there are also some bullish signs, which, quite remarkable right now as well, even though the structure is quite bearish. And first of all, guys, I want to go to Will Portal. I want to share with you the average funding fee. Well, the average funding fee right now is getting lower. It's not negative, so when it would be negative, of course, I would be more bullish, but there is a big but, and that is the previous times that we have seen this level over the past week becoming lower, we actually have seen the price going up. So that's most important thing of the funding fee, guys, is that you also look how did the price of Bitcoin react in recent history with similar levels, okay? Because in different market conditions, you want to use these things different. Basically, if you want to have a perfect understanding about the funding rates, check out Will Portal's YouTube. I made a tutorial over there how you can use this chart. But we are seeing lower funding rates, which actually is also a slightly bullish sign. Then guys, let's have a look at the daily time frame. Now we are going to look at a bearish sign again, and that is that we are actually have seen a breakout from the relative strength index to the upside. We had quite a rally in the RSI. We formed a lower high on the relative strength index on the daily time frame, a higher high in the price. This is also visible on the 4-hour time frame, that bearish divergence that we just saw. But due to the fact that it is visible on the daily time frame, it gives a little bit more significance too. What we also can see is that the relative strength index retracing farther than the price. So we have seen from here, from these levels, from when we bottomed on the relative strength index, we actually went to quite high levels. We had quite a rally. But if we have a look at the price from these levels, we didn't have that kind of rally. We already, like right now, already seeing a halt in Bitcoin going up. So that could be bearish. That could definitely be bearish, especially if we were to lose the uptrend right here. If we have this uptrend right here and we were to come down or maybe even lose it, then that basically means that the relative strength index right here was creating space for bearish momentum. So that is something that we are seeing often in bear markets, is when a move is a retractive move, we are seeing the relative strength index retrace farther than the price. That's basically what we see right now as well. Just something to watch. So this was again a bearish sign. Also, I want to point out, guys, that 4-year cycle low is coming closer. And yeah, it would make sense, of course, to do something like this. Dip in that 4-year cycle low. Maybe even surpass that. Maybe even go lower into that low. That is also possible. But it just would make sense for Bitcoin to do something like this based on time cycle theory. But if we just go to the very short-term time frame, I want to bring out a different chart, which actually is not so bearish. And that is the US dollar Theta dominance. And what we are seeing right here, guys, is that we basically formed a low. We got a bounce from support, then we formed a lower low, as you can see right here. And what you guys have to know is that the moment this chart is going down, Bitcoin's price is going up, because there is a inverse correlation. So when this chart is going down, the Bitcoin price is going up, and vice versa. When this chart is going up, Bitcoin's price is coming down. And what we are seeing right now, guys, is actually quite a bearish sign on this chart. We lost support right here. We had a bounce to the support, which could turn into resistance, right? If we look at the relative strength index, then we had a quite big retracement in the relative strength index. And right now, let me zoom in for you guys. Right now, we are actually testing that level. So if we were to break down right here on the relative strength index, we most likely get rejected in the US dollar Theta dominance, which basically means that the price of Bitcoin can go up. So that is the more bullish sign that we are seeing right now. And another bullish sign, or kind of bullish sign, is that the Dixie is testing a major level. That is this level, the relative strength index. And this is a potential resistance level. So there's also an inverse correlation between the Dixie and Bitcoin. So when this one goes down, Bitcoin goes up. When this one goes up, Bitcoin goes down. But if we now get rejected from that level on the relative strength index, which would mean that the Dixie were to come down, then Bitcoin basically were to come up. So this is also kind of a more potential bullish signal, but we have to see how this is going to play out. This is the 8-hour time frame, by the way. And on the S&P 500, we got to see how the S&P 500 is opening today. We can already look what the mini futures are doing. We can see that the mini futures are looking slightly more bearish than bullish, as we are trading in this rising channel. We just touched resistance. We might have a double top on the relative strength index. We might see a bearish divergence right here. So yeah, guys, let me just give a quick summary from all the signals that we just have been watching. That would be great, right? So first of all, structure-wise, Bitcoin is looking bearish. We got bearish divergence on the daily time frame. We got bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. We are losing the uptrend in the 4-hour time frame, which is also looking bearish. Actually, the funding rates just updated. As of now, guys, at 9 o'clock, the funding rate updated. It is up, which is also actually more bearish. So the argument that this tiny funding rates could be a bullish sign is already off the table. So yeah, that's actually how actually live these videos are. But yeah, so right now, definitely my shift is more bearish than bullish, because we do really get a lot of bearish signals, bearish divergences on multiple time frames, losing uptrend in the relative strength index. We got a potential, a potential M formation, which is also a topping pattern, a double top formation. The only thing that I think are looking bullish right now for Bitcoin, that is the US dollar Theta dominance, if we were to lose that uptrend, and the Dixie if we were to get rejected. But it doesn't mean that it has to happen. We don't have any confirmed signal for the bulls, actually, even though the S&P 500 not looking too bullish also. So I would definitely stand more on the bearish sidelines right here, just like I did yesterday. We have been clearly predicting the price of Bitcoin going down since yesterday. And that has been happening so far. If you can appreciate that, guys, make sure to smash up that like button. And yeah, let me just give a quick announcement, guys. We are working on updates for Will Portal. Actually, we are working full time on Will Portal with multiple people there right now. Roughly 4 people working on Will Portal, and we really try to make the best platform to give you a better grip on the markets. And we will soon come with another update which will be even better than this update, guys. It will give you even a better overview on the markets. And guys, right now we are working on a notification center, basically a alert channel where you as a trader can get alerts whenever there are certain signals flashing over on Will Portal, but also more signals that are not visible on Will Portal. And we want to start that alert channel with a small group of traders, and we want to give you the opportunity to enter that group for free. The only thing you need to do is sign up on one of these exchanges, Bybit, BitGet, Femex or PrimeXBT with the affiliate link down below. You need to deposit some Bitcoin. You need to be an active trader, so it doesn't work if you just open an account. You need to be an active trader. With that user ID, you will be able to enter that channel, to enter that alert channel for free for a lifetime. And once you've entered, we are going to optimize this, and later we are going to charge a monthly fee for it. But then you will be excluded for that monthly fee, and you will be able to get these signals for free for a lifetime, just by signing up on one of these exchanges and be an active trader, which basically don't cost you anything. You only will even get an extra bonus if you use the affiliate link down below. And the only thing that happens in order to support Will Portal is that the fees that you normally pay 100% to the exchange will share a part of those fees with us, which means that we can use a part of those earnings back into the development of Will Portal, which create a loop, which will make it possible for us to create a bigger, better platform with giving better alerts, better signals for you guys to trade profitable. So guys, if that sounds interesting to you, then I would definitely recommend you to join one of these exchanges down below with the affiliate link, deposit some Bitcoin, be an active trader, use Will Portal, which already gives you a huge advantage against other traders. New updates are coming soon, and once that alert channel is ready, you will be able to enter right away without any time delay and so on. So that's just something I would recommend for all the serious traders out there. If you already used one of the affiliate links down below, you are already an active trader under our affiliate, then you can already join. You don't have to create a new account on another exchange. So of course, that is how it works. Guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis. If so, drop that like. If you are new, make sure to subscribe. Very much appreciated. Want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.